Today's honorees are an exceptional group, and we, the alumni, are proud to present this honor to them. Now, please turn your attention to the screen for our first video.
Howard Bauchner, professor and practitioner of medicine and editor of one of the field's most prestigious journals. How many people can claim to have done more to promote the science and art of medicine and to defend and improve the public health? You are a global resource, but also a local treasure. As a BU alumnus, faculty member, and parent, your relationship to this university has been long and fruitful.
He is BU bred. He's one of us from start to finish. He's trained here. He's taught here. He's done his research here.
As professor of pediatrics and community health sciences, vice chairman of the Department of Pediatrics, and assistant dean for alumni affairs and continuing medical education, you helped scores of students become doctors and helped legions of children from low-income families achieve better health. A self-described journal junkie, you've had an extraordinary impact on the literature of medicine. You have published your research on improving pediatric healthcare quality and outcomes in more than 200 papers in peer-reviewed journals. You were the first U.S.-based editor-in-chief of the Archives of Disease in Childhood, the official publication of London's Royal College of Pediatrics and Child Health. In 2011, you were named editor-in-chief of the hugely influential Journal of the American Medical Association, which has more than 325,000 subscribers and 14 million website visits each year.
That is the most widely circulated medical journal in the entire world. It has a tremendous impact. And really, when I think about it, I feel like in our lives, we seldom get the opportunity to have an impact that big and that broad. And Dr. Bauchner has really earned the opportunity to make that difference in the world.
You've been an outspoken advocate, both temperate and passionate, for new approaches to medical education, medical record keeping, and the practice of medicine itself.
We can already see the changes he has put in with the journal, how he's affected physicians around the world, and ultimately, as a physician, what that means for our patients. That's a true role model. People can look to him.
For your steadfast stewardship of medical literature, for your personal contributions to the field of pediatrics, and for your dedication to the students and alumni of our School of Medicine, we are honored to present to you the Boston University Distinguished Alumni Award.
Thank you. I have two sons. One's Cam, one's Mathis. And Cam said, "Dad, you don't do humble very well." But I got the email that I had been given this award, and I said, "I think you've made a mistake. I got the BUSM Alumni Award from the medical school a few years ago." And they said, "No, this is for all of Boston University." And I just really want to thank the university and President Brown. It is a remarkable honor, so thank you very much. I will thank only one person, acknowledge a number of others. I really want to thank my wife, Chris. She really has been with me every step of the way. Many people thank their children. I'm not going to thank either of them. They had nothing to do with this award. I want to be very clear about that. Boston University and Boston School of Medicine are just extraordinarily great institutions. And I'm just going to spend a few more minutes talking about Boston University School of Medicine because I know it so well. When you're at the campus and there's medical students and residents, the greatness of it is reflected in the individuals who come to learn there and the people who work there. Boston University School of Medicine and Boston University reflect the complexion of America. And it's an extraordinary statement to say, and I think it's been a long tradition at the School of Medicine, and it's one that's going to hold it in good stead as it moves continually into the 21st century. The second thing that makes it remarkable is the sense of family, and that's really epitomized by two people who are at the table today. So Ben Siegel was one of my teachers when I arrived there as a resident in 1979, and to his right is Steve Pelton, who's been an extraordinary mentor of mine for many years. Ben was our children's pediatrician, so I think that really speaks to the sense of family. And finally, in my current position, I hear a great deal about social determinants of disease and the importance of non-communicable diseases. Boston University School of Medicine and Boston Medical Center have been talking about those two issues for 5 decades. So when I hear about them now, I feel it runs very deep in my roots because of the extraordinary education and the various opportunities I've had at Boston University School of Medicine and Boston University. Thank you so very, very much.